What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you are new, please do not hesitate to subscribe. You guys, as you can see, today we are reviewing, installing a wig. This wig is a no leave out eye part wig. It is also 18 inches, you guys. They also sent me a few goodies in the bag. They sent me a wig cap. They also sent me a comb and a few other cute goodies, a clip, an edge brush, and 2 more clips. Immediately right out the bag, I wanted to run my hands through it to see if it was given, and it was extremely soft. This hair also moves effortlessly. Like, look at that, look how it moves. The wig comes with 5 clips on top to clip onto your hair, and it also comes with 3 combs along the side of the wig, as you can see here, and it comes with a elastic band, which is a very stretchy, so if you have a bigger head, there will be no issues because it will fit very snug. This is a eye part wig, so no leave out is needed. Before I installed this wig, I decided to wet it off of my head first, and I had to lift up all the layers because this wig was so thick. It was extremely thick and extremely soft. Then I went in with my Sheer Moisture Curl and Stretch Pudding. This works amazing on curly hair, and I love the way it feels afterwards, so I had to add that in there. Just look at the curls, y'all. Okay, so now that the hair is wet and it's looking juicy, shiny, and it's looking exactly the way I want it to look, I'm gonna go ahead and fluff out a bit of the root. So that's how you make it look more natural. So this is a wig that you don't need any leave out for. You don't need no glue. Yeah, so to fluff it out so that it looks more natural, you're gonna wanna section off a little bit of the root. As you have that, once you have that piece out, you're just gonna wanna take your comb and tease at it like this. Just so it becomes a little puffy. Just make it a little bit puffy at the root. And then, as you can see, I'm gonna show you guys the difference from it being teased and not teased. Look. So this side is a little bit teased and this side is more, you know. Okay, so to put the wig on, I'm gonna hold it by my handy dandy adjustable straps. And I'm gonna put my braid up here. I'm gonna put it, and I'm gonna hold it by these and just put it behind my braid. Right there. Okay, and then I'm gonna tuck that braid underneath and then clip it in behind. So the next step is to open up these clips. Let's get it as close as possible. Pop this in there. At the top, the tracks are easily covered by the hair after you tease the root. The wig was purposely constructed like this as an eye shape, so you won't need any leave out. And so it's giving natural hairline. I mean, let me know if y'all could tell. So look at me and tell me if y'all think this is my real hair. Now look. Can y'all tell? Can y'all tell? Can y'all even like, can you tell? It looks really good to me. Am I able to do this? Should I do my edges? So this is the hair in a side part. I mean, if you don't want no edges out, that's okay, but I really like this. So whatever you want to do with this wig is very versatile, as you can see. So this wig can always stay in the middle part. It can go into a side part. flipping this wig around as if it's my real hair, because that's what it feel like. It's very lightweight. Like it don't feel heavy on my head. The curls are bouncy. They flip. The hair literally do what you want it to do. Oh, this is cute. Yo! 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 What? Imagine this up in a pony. Now you can do whatever you want with this hair. The goal is to clip it as close to the part as possible, so it gives us the most natural look. Like, do y'all see this? Like, this is no leave out whatsoever. And it's the fact that you don't have to do edges. I mean, if you want them, I like my hair with edges, but if you don't want them, you don't have to do it. Leave it as a middle part, can't detect the track. Put it in a side part, can't detect the track. This is a beginner friendly wig. You're just gonna have to remember to clip it as close to the part as possible and you're good to go. You're going to be protecting your edges, protecting your hair, and saving yourself from breakage. If you wanted to, you guys can also style this hair with leave out. So let me show you guys that. So to just clip it out, you're just gonna wanna push on it and then pull it off. I'm starting off by sectioning my hair for some leave out. My hair is pretty much the same texture as the wig and the same curl pattern, so I just wanted to see how it looked. If you guys prefer no leave out and you want to protect your hair, it always looks great either way. It's just really up to you guys to see which way you prefer to style this hair. I decided to add a little bit more water and curling stretch pudding so that it matches better with my hair. As you can see, it's blending out pretty great and I absolutely fell in love with this wig. Link to this hair will be down in the description box below. Not to mention, this wig is so snug. Like, who had this gonna come off of? Who had this falling off of? First of all, the wig is very versatile. Without leave out, you can flip it, switch it. Y'all was seeing me moving my head around and doing a whole bunch of stuff. So versatile. Number two, this wig, it looks so natural. Number three, it can be worn with leave out. You can wear it with leave out, without leave out, whatever you want. Very versatile. The curls are bouncy as heck. Like, and the wig is lightweight. It don't even feel heavy on my head. Number five. So this wig can't be snatched. It's very snug on your head. It's not moving. I really just don't see myself taking it off. I'm not gonna take it off because it's giving 100% natural baddie. And my hair stopped probably like right here. This hair go all the way down here and it's, let me show y'all. This hair go all the way down here and it's giving natural. Look, like what? Guys, I have a discount code for you. So get it. So go get it. Go use my discount code. How are we feeling about this? We like compared to this? We like? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. I love you guys, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.